This is interesting. Now the former statue of Mr. Colston is down there, and just over there is the river to which his statue was dumped into. Just here, check this one out. From this port, John Cabot and his son Sebastian, I don't think his name was actually John Cabot, it wasn't something like Giovanni Cabato or something, I don't know. Anyway, his son was born in Bristol, and they sailed in the ship Matthew, AD 1497, and discovered the continent of America. Interesting, right? Because as some of you will know, there is debate. I mean, after all, everything between Alaska and the Cape of Good Horn is called America. Be it north, south, central, or whatever, but it's all called America. I think everyone agrees on that. And some people are North Americans, and some people are South Americans, and some people are, Central Americans, and some people are one of them and Latin Americans. But they're all Americans, like it's all one continent. Hence the Olympic flag with 5 circles, one for each continent. However, that is a point of view. It seems to be the original point of view. And for some reason, many of you listening to this are probably going to think that there are 2 continents. One called North America and one called South America. And whereas most people in Latin America seem to think that the whole thing is called America anyway. And that the separation has occurred because of Yankee Imperialism and arrogance and all of that. So, I don't know. Take your pick. Anyway. Now, there's another interesting one down here, actually. I actually wasn't going to take this, finish this video like this, but couldn't help myself. Okay, Samuel Plimsoll, originator of the load line known as the Plimsoll Line on ships, born at number 9 Colston Parade, Bristol, the 10th of February 1824, a member of Parliament 1868 to 1880. In 1872, published Our Seamen. Right, there's an A there, ladies. An appeal in which he showed, S-H-E-W-E-D, go figure, that a large proportion of sailors in the merchant service who perished at sea lost their lives from preventable causes such as overloading. Now, I don't normally read these plaques out, as this one, it needs a bit of a shine, doesn't it? So it might be a bit difficult to read. Anyway, initiated and carried through almost single-handed the Merchant Shipping Act of 1876, died at Folkestone in 1898, buried at Cheriton, a village nearby, the sailor's friend. How about that? And the port is, of course, just all over there. And, that, I think, wasn't that called the Colston? No, the Colston Hall, what it was, is behind that. That one there's the Hippodrome. Anyway, I'm off to another prep. Cheers.